can't tell you what it really is. I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now there's a steel knife in my